Hello friends, in this video we will see how you can get instant Bajaj Finserv EMI network card and convert your online shopping into EMI. Bajaj Finserv EMI network card offers no cost EMI on the purchase of selected products from its partner stores. That is, you will not have to pay any interest while buying such products on EMI. It also comes with a pre-approved loan of up to 2 lakh rupees. So here are the steps now. Visit the EMI card page by clicking on the link. Now enter your mobile number, date of birth and proceed by clicking on Apply Now button. You will have to fill in some of your personal details like your full name, PAN number, area PIN code, email ID, gender, etc. Fill in all the details and click on the Get Instant Approval button. If you are eligible to take the card, then you will get a pre-approved message on the screen. If you don't get a message, it means you are not eligible for the card as your CIBIL score is less. After receiving the message, click on Get It Now. Now you have to verify your details for KYC verification. In KYC verification, you have to fill in the details like name and address. Click on Verify Address and pay the card charges along with Rs 567 including GST. You can activate your card as soon as the payment is done. Now, activate the card by completing e-mandate. You can start using the card for online shopping as soon as you activate the card with e-mandate. Thank you.